You want to make a dessert with me today? We're going to make my famous chess bars. Everybody loves these. They're fantastic. And just so you know, you can make any flavor of chess bar that you want. But today, we're just going to make the OG, which is yellow. And they are absolutely delicious. And did you know my chess bar recipe is in my very first cookbook, Sweet Lucille's Living to Cook. If you don't have this, it's on Amazon, and I wrote this cookbook for my babies when I was first diagnosed with cancer back in 2022. So check this out, and if you've got this cookbook, follow along. It's on page 57. So let's get started. Let's make us some yummy, delicious chess bars. So first thing you do is preheat your oven to 350 and grease you a 9x13 pan. I splurged, y'all. I bought this. Can you believe it? I was surprised because I'm El Cheapo. So in my mixing bowl, I have just a cake mix. And I've got Duncan Hines Yellow. This is my favorite. To this mix, we're going to add a half a cup of vegetable oil and 2 eggs. This is the base of the chess bar. And all you're going to do is mix it up. It's going to be extremely thick. And we're going to take our clean hands and press it down. Got to get all the goodie out there in our 9x13 pan. So let's mix her up. Got to have a little muscle behind your hustle to mix this stuff up because it is so thick. See what I mean? We're going to drop it in the bottom of our greased 9x13 pan, and we're going to spread it out evenly as we can. It's a job. So let me get this smoothed out. Now, see how that looks? I've got it smoothed out. We're going to put that to the side. I've got my KitchenAid bowl. Here comes our filling. Easy, easy peasy. If I can do it, you can do it. 1 block of room temperature cream cheese going in our bowl like so. And I got it on my fingers, which means lick your finger. 1 stick of melted butter. I just threw mine in the microwave for 30 seconds. As much vanilla as you want. I'm heavy-handed with the vanilla. I probably put 2 teaspoons in mine. And then we're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. And you're going to mix it with your blender or whatever you want. I'm going to make a mess, ain't I? If you ain't making a mess, you ain't cooking. That's what my mama always said. She says, honey, you go in there and make that mess. Worst you got to do is clean it up. And she's right. All right, 2 cups of powdered sugar. Now, let's go mix it. All right, well, I've got my cream cheese filling done. And y'all, I told you wrong. Preheat your oven to 325, not 350. So I've got this all mixed up, and just kind of evenly distribute it all over your base and bake it on 325 for 45 minutes to an hour. Every stove's different. I bake mine till it's like light golden brown and it's not jiggly in the center. When it gets done, I'll show you. My friend Ashley that owns the pawn shop in Morgantown loves these things. She used to order them for me all the time. I would make her literally her own 9x13 pan. I don't know if she shared or not. She didn't have to if she didn't want to. But I miss them days of cooking for people. It'd be nice to do that again. All right, here we go. Let's throw her in the oven. Guess what's out of the oven? Do you want to see? This is the perfect chess bars you'll ever make, let alone eat. Mine cooked for exactly 1 hour on 325. Isn't she beautiful? And you want this crust on top of this. So the hardest part of this whole process is you got to let them completely cool and let them set. And they are perfect. So go make my homemade chess bars today. And you can, like I said, do any flavor. I've done chocolate with the chocolate cake mix on the bottom, and the only thing I did different was I added in a half a cup of cocoa powder to my cream cheese mixture. And there you go, chocolate chess bars. Hello. Chocolate chips is good in it too. So go make these homemade chess bars today. Let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day. Remember, always love your family. And I love you.